There's one thing you should know about me.
I specialize in a very specific type of security.
It's called Inception. I'm ready.
Unparalleled action.
So what's the verdict?
We're bloody going for it.
Sounds like a good year to me.
He wants to be born now.
Seriously?
Mega, total, super, seriously.
Now playing on DirecTV Cinema. Night and Day, the extended edition.
It was like some sort of secret agent or something.
Hey, June, it's a beautiful dress.
With more action.
Everything was so exciting.
And more adventure. Night and Day, the extended edition.
It's wild.
Movies start at channel 125.
Verizon 4G LTE presents the FX World Broadcast premiere of The Incredible Hulk.
There are aspects of my personality that I can't control.
The Incredible Hulk, Tuesday at 7:30 on FX. Brought to you by Verizon 4G LTE, the fastest, most advanced 4G network in America.
It's the most powerful thing I've ever seen.
On November 16th, to save their people, they must unite their powers. Water, earth, and air.
If we fail, all will be lost.
The Last Airbender. Own it on DVD and Blu-ray Combo Pack November 16th.
Of course.
Once in a lab was a lonely scientist, shining bright and brilliant like the star in the sky. He was headed straight to the top till he found love.
Why is everybody singing today?
Her eyes were a tumultuous ocean, and her hair was a communist curl. How could he ignore all the times that she swore that together they'd conquer the world?
Okay, I think I get it.
Now once in a life, maybe less for a scientist, does a lovely gal with a lust for the sciences confess devotion and undying love. You see how he could be taken, and her experiments a small price to pay. Her smiles and her nods were worth the pricks and the prods, 'cause she was his at the end of the day.
I don't remind you of her, do I?
Then one summer night she came to the scientist, told him she'd been lying in the interest of science. His broken heart was just some data on love. I've gazed on the face of the devil and named every eyebrow and freckle. The image ever burned in my brain. She used love as a tool to make me a fool. So I feel nothing but hate and disdain.
Okay. Now my ironclad heart is devolving to dust. That's why they call me Rust.
And it's also my name.
I am so sorry. I hadn't.
Flip over the tape for Rust's Great Adventures in Science.